What's up, guys? It's Monday morning, about 10 o'clock. I kind of slept in a little longer than I wanted to, but it's my day off. But I still have to work on the truck. Last week I blew the heater core, so all she does is piss coolant. And for those of you who don't know what a heater core is, this is a heater core, and what it does is it's like a mini radiator between the firewall and the dashboard of the truck, and coolant goes through it and fans push heat off this heater core, and that's what provides you with your heat in your vehicle, for at least for this style of vehicle. But it's a common issue. I guess it's really labor intensive. I'm gonna do it myself. It's probably gonna take about the entire day, maybe even tomorrow, but we'll see. I'm gonna take my time. I've never done this before. I'm 10 minutes into it. And I already have a headache. To be honest, I don't even know what the fuck I'm doing anymore. I thought I had it. Now it's gone. I just want to go to sleep. I give up. We got it in and out. And if you're wondering who we is, I got a little surprise for you guys. What's up, Alex? All the way from Montana. He came here, jumped on a plane, fucking flew his little jet boat out here, and now it's in. Finally. I gotta recharge my AC system tomorrow if I even finish. But yeah. This is as far as I got, and I'm quitting because it's about to get dark, and I'm not about to sit here at nighttime and get frustrated. So I'm gonna come back tomorrow on another day or something. Or just light it on fire. Hey, Roxy, over here! Over here! Look at it! Oh, what is that? Jesus, I can't believe I did that. After all that time, it's finally done. Finally. Oh. Oh yeah, so should anyone need to do this in the future, some tools you'll need is about a gallon of gas, a lighter, cigarette, or just leave it parked on the side of the road with the keys in it to let someone steal it. Yeah, because I would never recommend anyone do that by themselves. I followed a couple DIYs. None of them were any specific, and honestly, I think if I were to do it again, I probably wouldn't pull it off the same way, because it's kind of, you just have to wing it. Kind of have to go for it, keep track of all your bolts, and when it comes to detaching the actual heating and cooling unit and realigning it, you definitely need two people. So if it weren't for Alex, I wouldn't have been able to do it. So yeah, honestly, it wasn't terrible. It really is like 9 hours of work, start to finish. But yeah, if it saved me $900, I'll take it. I wouldn't do it again if I didn't have to. But yeah, not that hard. I would recommend it. Skill level, maybe 3 out of 5. 5 being light that shit on fire and insurance claim. But yeah, hope you liked it. Thanks. Well, we're here. Sorry I didn't do much of an intro. I slept the whole way. Look how pretty she is. Say hi, babe. unfortunately I did not get to film as much as I wanted to in the store. They told me I could not film in Bass Pro Shops, but I did end up spending right around $100. But yeah, this is what, oh, that's my girlfriend. But this is what I got. So, got a little range bag, a little drill pistol range bag. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 275. What is that? 1650. 22. That's bulk federal, whatever it is. Some candy. Obviously, I can't refuse some sweets. A little jerk bait because I want to have something when I go fishing. But yes, I did sell all my fishing stuff. And yeah,